vlogging. Hey, okay, we're supposed to cross the road, guys.
Oh, guys.
Ah. Okay, guys. So it's Abby, and today I am vlogging, and we're going to the lake house, but we're in the town right now. Okay, let me explain this real quick. At the lake house, we have a town that's like 5 minutes away, and that's where we were. And it's like this little town, and it has a cute little bookstore, so we're gonna go there. It's like the... Okay, so...
Hi, we're basically a 4-feet bracelet Birkenstocks in town.
Okay, so I'm with my sister, and then these are her friends, and we're all at the lake. I'm gonna get in the car now, and we're going back to the lake house. What is happening? So I'm very extra right now, as you can probably tell. Got the bucket hat, but I'm going on the kayak, and I actually attached a thing to it. I actually attached a GoPro thing to it. So you guys can come on the kayak with me.
You just grabbed on me and tried drowning me.
Got my pants. Oh, hey, I just got my pants soaking wet.
I literally hate this. Hey guys, Abby's trying to run me over. All of her 10 viewers watching. Abby's trying to hit me right now. Can you take this? It's gonna fall.
Hey guys, Emily finally made me a bracelet.
Aloha. Yes, I want to get over my fear of seaweed. I'm not okay.
We know.
Oh, she's trying to do something.
I am keeping this in the video.
I'm just drowning over here.
Really?
Oh my god, no, oh my god.
Don't tip me this camera!
You.
For some reason, my audio is not synced up to my GoPro, which is really annoying for these last 2 clips, but just watch. Hey guys, so I don't know how much footage I got from before, but if you guys don't know, my family has a lake house, and I'm at it right now. Obviously, I'm on a kayak, and I'm just vlogging for you guys. I guess. But is that an apple? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, 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 ew. What is that? I just picked up an apple. Oh my god, you're gonna tip me!
We're not gonna tip you.
Yes, you are. Please don't.
If we all
no,
go
please.
out at the same time, we can't tip you. We're
Yes, you
evening out
can.
because it's 2-on-1.
No, please don't tip me. Please, please, guys. I don't want to go in the water right now, or ever. No, like.
What is that from?
So we have bikes here, and I'm going to ride the bike. I'm literally riding a bike right now, and I look ridiculous. But do I care? No. Oh no, I'm going down the hill. This is not gonna end well. Oh my god, I'm struggling. So we're gonna go on the boat now.
This lovely, so I stay where it's sunny, and I call you to come and meet me. You said cool, give me 15. We grab some sand out by the beach, enough to fill an hourglass for eternity. You take my hand and you ask me, are you sure this life's your dream? And I say it may take some time to find what you're looking for. I swear I never wanted more. Yeah, I say it may take So baby, what you looking for? Then we hit the road, cruising seaside, Highway 1. Onwards outside, flap our wings, learning to fly. We take off to fill the pink skies. You find the map in my glove box, just to see the lines we've crossed. You ask me where is the drop off? Are you sure we're not just lost? And I say it may take some time to find what you're looking for. I swear I never wanted more. Yeah, I say it may take some time to find what you're looking for. So baby, what you looking for?
So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye!